Welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now today, as you can see, we're not in Joe's Garden. We're here at Earlswood Garden and Landscape Centre, one of my favourite places to come. Now today, we're here to purchase one of my favourite plants, Dicksonia antarctica, commonly known as a tree fern. Come with me. Here we are in the plant centre. Now this tree fern here is the one I want. You can see it's absolutely beautiful. Did you know these plants are older than the dinosaurs? And it was also used in ballast for ships to bear all the weight. Now unbeknown to the sailors, when they put them in the ship, by the time they got back to England, they were sprouting. Beautiful. Now there's three things you got to know when you're buying a tree fern. One, you look for this label here. This means it's come from a reputable source. And the other thing I do, I try to lift it. And if it's so heavy like this one is, it proves to me that this has been well watered, because all this is all roots and I don't want it to dry out. And the last and third thing I look for, I put my hand in the crown and I feel the knuckles coming up. It tells me how many fronds I'm going to have. But this one here, absolutely beautiful. This is the one I'm going to have to add to my collection. Brilliant. Until next time.